Hi, this is Eric with a quick walk around video of our 2014 Honda CRV. So let's get started. 123,000 miles. It is equipped with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. EPA highway is 31 miles per gallon, so very good on gas. Metallic gray. A couple small scratches right here. Good tread still in the tires, probably 2/3 tread. This body style CRV came out in 2012, a lot roomier than the previous generation and better gas mileage. Small little scratch there. Rear wiper, some previous touch-up paint. Overall, pretty good shape, just some minor cosmetic stuff. Black cloth, very clean. Good condition inside. These seats do fold down, 60-40 split. Enough room for 3 people in the back. Surprisingly roomy. Spare tire under the storage compartment. You can pull these handles on either side to release the rear seats. It is equipped with a backup camera. I'll show you the display. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Trash control, does have Bluetooth and onboard computer with all the stats on the vehicle. 12-volt power outlet. You do have USB and auxiliary hookups for your phone. Backup camera. And here's the Carfax report. You can find the full Carfax on our website. A lot of Honda service was done. Previously a certified pre-owned. Transmission fluid was done at 78,000 miles, very important. And also changed again at 53,000, so 2 services, which is hard to find in my experience. Most of this was done at Honda World, Westminster, California. And then 108,000 miles, a lot of work was done. AC condenser, batteries replaced, filters, rear struts, which is one of the most common things to be neglected on a vehicle is a strut, so that was done. So good service. You can call or text us at 760-280-7648 or visit ibuycleancars.com. We have excellent reviews on Yelp, so check us out on there. About a 4.6 out of 5 rating. We take trade-ins and financing is available. Thank you.